The period of Queen Victoria reminds everyone of the strict laws and strange traditions of that time. It was also a time of great and strange curiosities, innovations, and discoveries. In such a situation, it is not very strange to say that someone was trying to eat all the living animals in the world. Today we are going to talk about the bizarre story of William Buckland, one of the greatest geologists of his time, who tried to eat all living animals to find the most delicious animal in the world. Welcome to another Cracked History Facts video. During the reign of Queen Victoria in England, people showed strange habits and behaviors. For example, during this time, some people did not eat for months to see what would happen. Some tattooed their entire bodies and did not leave a single spot blank, while others mixed arsenic with cosmetics. The government at that time, while warning against obeying the law, also promoted irregularities and centrifugation. Buckland was born in 1784. He had different jobs during his life. Buckland was once a minister, geologist, and teacher. After graduation, he attended the prestigious University of Oxford and became a professional lecturer and Secretary of State. He later became president of the University of Westminster in 1845. When he was university president, he organized an exhibition of wild animals in this place. These animals included a variety of snakes, eagles, and monkeys. He once asked his student, "What rules the world?" And when the student said he was unaware of the answer to his question, he replied, "Stomach. The stomach rules the world. The bigger one eats the smaller ones, and that's how life goes on." Maybe that's why William Buckland became a member of the British Animal Habitat Community. The task of this community was to study different species of animals to see if they could be incorporated into the British ecosystem or not. This community was also looking for the best food from animals. It was well in line with one of Buckland's most important goals, to eat every living animal that exists in the world. He ate a significant number of animals in the universe. One of his favorite dishes was grilled mice between toast. He prepared his food at parties for members of the community. He also ate hedgehogs, guinea pigs, leopards, grilled ostriches, and even puppies. In addition to Buckland, other community members followed the same idea. They ate animals such as snails, kangaroos, and a variety of birds. He recalled that the worst creatures ever eaten were blind mice and flies. He considered these animals very ugly and stinky. His memoirs and statements are exciting. He spoke eloquently about his strange eating habits. His last statement was made at the home of Lord Harcourt, Archbishop of York. Inside Lord Harcourt's house was a crystal shelf with a silver plate inside. Inside the plate was the mummified heart of King Louis V. Although it was a decorative object, William Buckland picked it up and ate it quickly. William Buckland also passed on his passion for animal food to his son Francis. The latter accompanied him through all his experiments. Apart from the Animal Custom Association, other groups were interested in such issues. Charles Darwin, a friend of Francis's, was a member of the Glutton Club group. According to The Guardian, the Glutton Club had a strange purpose. Their goal was to eat the meat of the strangest fish in the deep seas and oceans, fish of which are some of the most dangerous animals on Earth. They also liked the meat of other odd animals. For example, falcons and bitterns were their favorite foods. Darwin used other exotic animals in his countless voyages. He became famous around the world for trying burrower meat. Darwin thinks the burrower tastes like a duck. According to Darwin, the meat of this rodent, which no one has ever known, is the tastiest food that a human could eat in his lifetime. There's been much criticism of these associations and people like Darwin and William throughout history. They harmed their health, but they also did a lot of damage to the British environment. There are a lot of comments on these professors in major UK universities today. Some accept them and some strongly criticize them. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out our other history videos.